A dividend reinvestment plan, DRIP, is an investment strategy that allows investors to automatically reinvest their cash dividends into additional shares of the company's stock, rather than receiving the dividends in cash. This process can help increase the number of shares an investor owns over time, thereby potentially enhancing the growth of their investment. To participate in a dividend reinvestment plan, investors typically need to enroll in the plan through their brokerage or directly with the company that offers the plan. Many companies that pay dividends offer dividend reinvestment plans, and enrollment can often be done online. When the company declares a dividend, instead of receiving a cash payment, the dividends are used to purchase additional shares or fractional shares of the company's stock. The reinvestment usually occurs at the next dividend payment date. The shares are typically purchased at the company's current market price, or in some cases, companies offer shares at a discount to the market price through dividend reinvestment plans. Because dividends are reinvested to buy more shares, this can lead to a compounding effect over time. As more shares are acquired, the amount of future dividends can also increase since dividends are often based on the number of shares owned. Reinvesting dividends can accelerate the growth of an investment portfolio over time due to the compounding effect. Many dividend reinvestment plans allow investors to purchase shares without incurring brokerage fees, making it a cost-effective way to grow an investment. Dividend reinvestment plans can encourage a long-term investing mindset, as investors accumulate more shares and build their positions in a company over time. In summary, a dividend reinvestment plan is a convenient way for investors to capitalize on the power of compound growth by reinvesting their dividends to purchase additional shares of stock automatically. This strategy can be especially attractive for long-term investors looking to build wealth over time.